The Coleman is a family-sized tunnel tent with generous dimensions and extra headroom for increased comfort and luxury on the campsite. Incredibly easy to pitch, the tent can be set up in minutes, leaving you with more time to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. The Mackenzie has spacious and defined living and sleeping areas for a home-from-home camping experience. Perfect for families, the tent's generous living area can house a dining table and chairs, while panoramic windows with adjustable covers offer an ideal balance of light and privacy. Two generously proportioned bedrooms constructed with breathable polyester and ultra-fine no-seam mesh ensure even the smallest bugs are kept at bay. Maximum sleeping flexibility is guaranteed thanks to the removable divider in the bedroom, allowing you to convert it from 2 rooms to 1 extra-large bedroom. Strong yet flexible WrapFlex poles can easily cope with adverse weather conditions, while the mesh pole sleeves ensure smooth and easy pole insertion, as well as reducing wind resistance for a more aerodynamic structure and less wind noise. Heavy rain is no match for the Mackenzie's PU-coated fire-retardant polyester flysheet. A hydrostatic head of 4,000 mm and fully taped seams ensure that even driving rain is kept out. Peak protection over the side door offers shelter when entering and leaving the tent, and for clean, dry and bug-free camping, the Mackenzie has a fully integrated bathtub-style ground sheet made from strong and robust polyethylene. A large adjustable ventilation panel at the back, combined with double-layer mesh doors, ensure optimum airflow through the tent, minimizing the risk of condensation and maintaining a comfortable interior temperature. The zipped power cord vent allows you to run power into your tent for some extra home comforts. The Mackenzie comes complete with an expansive porch that can be easily zipped on and off, instantly extending your outdoor home. Featuring an easy-to-pitch tunnel construction, the tent can be pitched in approximately 20 minutes. Roll out the tent and then peg the 2 top corners as anchoring points. Assemble the color-coded WrapFlex poles and push them through the pole sleeves. Insert the poles and push them through to the blanked-off pole sleeves and insert pole into eyelet. Lift the tent, peg out the front guy line for support, then clip and peg out the rest of the tent. Push the side peak protection porch pole into the sleeve. The bedrooms come pre-attached, just tighten as required. Insert poles into the porch, zip to tent and guy out. The Coleman Mackenzie, for luxury on the campsite. Available in 4- and 6-person models.